So we got 5 spots we're gonna be working at today. First off, we're gonna focus on all these cedar trees here, taking every single one of them down all the way up to the road. The second spot we're gonna work at today is there's a dead ash tree just down the hill. We've been pruning on it for years, but she finally gave up on us. And then the third spot we're gonna focus on today is right over here, where it's pretty steep hillside. We can't get equipment in there, so it's gonna have to be done by hand. We'll start at the bottom, work our way up. It's a lot of debris being hand pulled. This long section here is going to be the far top side. We have to get a bunch of cars moved and then cone it off, and that's a whole lot of handwork as well. Then the funnest part of the whole project will be this bottom corner. There's a massive bee's nest down there. We've hit it a couple of times already, so we'll have to be very careful while we're down there. And all we're doing is just raising the canopies and the skirts on these trees, cleaning up a little bit of underbrush, and pretty much dropping leaves.